Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. And in this video, I want to teach you guys how to use the fade in and fade out audio effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go.
Okay, this video will be very short because this is very easy. So in order to fade, what you want to do is after you insert your clip and you have your audio section that you want to fade out, select your audio and then go over to this icon right here, this little symbol. You click on it, you drag it over. Once you drag it over, now this is where your fade ends at. The shade is what part of the audio has been faded. And then the lower symbol, this changes the sound of the fade. If you want more of a flat fade, if you want it to kind of go high and low, so you can play around with this. So let's go ahead and play this so you can hear what it sounds like in the beginning of this video with a fade.
Hey everybody.
So just like that, you can hear how the music is not in, then it starts to come in a little later inside the video. So we could do the same thing for the end of the clip. What you do is you go over to this symbol right here, you slide it over, you see the fade, and then we play around with this. Let's bring this higher up, slide this over a little bit more, and then let's play this.
Effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go.
You can hear the fade was going out, but it was still in, so it wasn't completely out of the video. And you can also do this for different parts of your video. So like if you were at a point, let's say right here, and I wanted to fade this out, use your blade tool, and then you just slice your audio. And then from here, you'll have the same two icons. So you go ahead and select it where you want the fade to happen at. Then let's do the other one. And then let's play this so we can hear what it sounds like.
I'm going to teach you guys how to use the fade in and fade.
There you go. Just like that, you're able to fade in and out of your videos in DaVinci Resolve. You can fade wherever you want to fade at by using the blade tool. You can play around with the smaller symbol. That way that you can change the sound of your fade. So I hope this video helped you guys. If so, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you all for watching.